So what's the laziest way to make money online?
Laziest ways to make money online.
Lazy ways to make money online.
Laziest way to make money online.
Laziest way to make money
online.
Imagine you are watching a YouTube video, a YouTuber showing you how to make money online. Then you are very happy because you find a way to earn passive income. Now you can help your family. Then you go to your college and thinking, what can I do after getting money? You are very happy in your classroom and thinking, when I go home and withdraw my income. But when you reached your home and saw you had not earned a single dollar, and you are very frustrated about it. You think every YouTuber is a fraud. But in this video, I will show you how to actually make money online. Before starting this video, see, I got 26,000 views and I earned over $100. Open your browser and go to a website called shrinkearn.com. This website will help us to make money online using sharing links. When anybody visit your link, you will earn money. Now sign up on this website from the left side top corner menu. Here you can see publisher rate of this website and payment methods for withdrawal. See this website rating on Trustpilot. This website is very old and paying regularly. After sign up, set up your profile and payment method for withdraw money. Set up this information carefully. If you mistake, your payment will be paused. Now to start income. Paste any link in the link box of this website and share this with your friends or audience. Then you will start earning money.